The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by the Austin Steam Train Association. A vintage train ride that brings history and magic to Central Texas. That's what's on offer through the Austin Steam Train Association. Today we're speaking with Chairman of the Board, Brian Thompson, who's here to tell us more about what they're getting ready for as the holidays are approaching. So first of all, Brian, let's talk about what the Austin Steam Train Association is all about.
Well, we're a volunteer-led nonprofit whose mission is to preserve and interpret historic steam-era railroading for this generation and generations to come.
Absolutely, and actually that leads me into my next question. North Pole Flyers, here we're getting ready for the holiday season, and you are going to use cars like this to have people have a great time.
So the cars are going to be decorated and Christmas themed, and you're going to walk on and it's just going to walk into a North Pole type experience. You're going to have the opportunity to meet Santa Claus, to meet Mrs. Claus, to hear carols, stories, balloon twister, all you can drink hot cocoa, which I think all of us would enjoy, sugar cookies. It's just the full experience, and the whole time a train's moving from Bertram out to Burnett, Texas and back.
And something else I did want to bring up is that kids under 13 who go on the North Pole Flyer get to walk away with something special.
They do. So our partners at Cat Metro have sponsored our whistle this year.
A train whistle?
A train whistle. This is a genuine train whistle. It actually sounds like a train. But our good friends at Cat Metro were sponsors of this year, and so all the kids under 13 get to walk away with not only the good memories, but something that they can pick up and use to kind of recreate that memory.
You guys actually are kind of magical in what you do because you run 24 North Pole Flyers in just 6 days. It's very Santa-esque. How does that happen?
We are dependent on the community in several different ways. First of all, we have a small staff, and they are a dedicated group of people that they've made their career out of keeping this nonprofit running. But we have 100 dedicated volunteers, and they do everything from participating with the passengers as car attendants all the way up to the conductor, the engineer, the brakeman.
Absolutely. If somebody can't volunteer but you've piqued their interest, how else can they support you?
First of all, just come ride the train. And there are all kinds of trains. The North Pole Flyer is a premium experience that everybody looks forward to, but you don't have to wait for that. And all kinds of fun, just interesting trains in between, but there's something for everybody. So that's really the first thing you can do. You said volunteer. We're always looking for volunteers. The volunteers run the operation out here. Come ride the train, come visit us in the locomotive, come have a great time.
Happy holidays to you, Brian. Thank you.
Thank you.
To hop aboard the North Pole Flyer or learn more about volunteering, visit austinsteamtrain.org. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by the Austin Steam Train Association.